Do you know the difference between in, on and it? ప్రిపోజిషన్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతున్నారా? ఇన్, ఆన్, ఎట్ కరెక్ట్గా యూజ్ చేయాలా? వన్ స్మాల్ వర్డ్స్ కెన్ చేంజ్ ద హోల్ సెంటెన్స్ మీనింగ్స్. ప్రిపోజిషన్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఈజీగా ఎగ్జాంపుల్తో నేర్చుకుందాం. మెనీ స్టూడెంట్స్ మేక్ మిస్టేక్ ఇన్ ప్రిపోజిషన్. ఆర్ యూ వన్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్? Preposition: it tells place, time, directions or position. At, by, for, from, of, on, during, in favor of. Example: at place or time. I am at home. The class starts at 7 a.m. Telugu meaning daggara vadda. Second one, by, near, by, someone, method. He is sitting by me. This book is written by her. Telugu meaning ద్వారా ప్రక్కన. For, purpose or benefit. This gift is for you. I study for my exam. Telugu meaning కోసం. From, starting point. I am coming from school. She is from Hyderabad. Telugu meaning నుండి. Of, away, removed. Take your shoe off. The light is off. తీసివేయడం, ఆఫ్ అని మీనింగ్ వస్తుంది. ఆన్ సర్ఫేస్ డే. ద బుక్ ఈజ్ ఆన్ ద టేబుల్. ఐ విల్ మీట్ యూ ఆన్ మండే. తెలుగు మీనింగ్ పై. డ్యూరింగ్ అండ్ ఇన్ ద మిడిల్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్. ఐ స్లెప్ డ్యూరింగ్ ద మూవీ. డోంట్ టాక్ డ్యూరింగ్ ద క్లాస్. సమయంలో. ఇన్ ఫేవర్ ఆఫ్. ఐఎమ్ ఇన్ ఫేవర్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ప్లేన్. దిస్ voted in favor of the rule. Simple practice. Fill in the blanks. I am sitting dash the chair. She came dash school. They is dash you. ట్రై చేసి చెప్పండి, కామెంట్లు రాయండి. సింపుల్ ప్రిపోజిషన్: ఇన్, ఆఫ్, టు, ఎట్, బై, for, from, of, on, out, through, till, up, with. Example: in, she is in the room. Of, take your shoes off. To, I am going to school. At, meeting me at 6 p.m. By, this book is written by him. For, this is for you. From, I came from home. On, the phone is on the table. Out, she went out. Through, the train goes through the tunnel. Till, wait till evening. Up, he climbed up the hill. With, I am going with my friend. Small practice. Fill the blank. I am going dash market. She is sitting dash the chair. She came dash Hyderabad. ట్రై చేసి చెప్పండి. కంపౌండ్ ప్రిపోజిషన్: అబౌట్, అబోవ్, అక్రాస్, అలాంగ్, అడ్మిస్ట్, ఎమంగ్, అరౌండ్, బిఫోర్, బిహైండ్, బిలో, బినీత్, బిసైడ్. ఎగ్జాంపుల్: నైస్. These are also preposition. I will give some meanings plus example. About, about or regarding. We are talking about the movie. Above, higher than. The fan is above my head. Across, from one side to another. She walked across the road. Along, in a line beside. He is walking along the river. Amidst, in the middle of. He stood amidst the crowd. Among, in a group. She is among friends. Around, surrounding. They are sitting around the table. Before, earlier than. Finish work before 6 p.m. Behind, at the back. The car is behind the bus. Below, lower than. The temperature is below 0. Beneath, under directly below. The cat is beneath the table. Beside, next to, side, beside me. Small practice. Fill in the blank. The dog is dash the table. She is sitting dash me. She came dash dinner. Try చేసి చెప్పండి. Praise preposition according to, consequence of, agreeably to, in course of, along with, in favor of, away from, in front of. Example, according to, as per, dash, based on. According to the teacher, the exam is tomorrow. In consequence of, because of. According to the teacher, the exam is tomorrow. In consequence of. He failed in consequence of carelessness. Agreeably to, in agreement with. The work was done. Agreeably to the rules. In course of, during. He slept in course of the lecture. Along with, together with. She came along with her friend. In favor of, supporting. I am in favor of this idea. Away from, far from. Keep the phone away from water. In front of, before or ahead. The car is in front of the house. Small practice. Fill in the blank. I came dash my brother. The bike is dash the shop. She passed dash hard work. Try చేసి చెప్పండి. Participle preposition. Consider, during, pending, regarding. Example, consider, taking into account. Consider his age. She is very smart. During, in the middle of time. Slept during the movie. Pending, until something is decided. The work is pending approval. Regarding, about, concerning. We are talking regarding the project. Small practice. Fill in the blanks. I slept dash the class. We discussed dash your problem. Dash his health. He is doing well. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel and like చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.